All right, in the tropics, an area out in the far eastern Atlantic that may be more of a problem next week. There's a wave coming off of Africa that could be more of an issue, but in the Gulf, we've been talking about this for a week and a half now. If you caught the forecast last week, I was telling you there was a chance of a hurricane in the Gulf this weekend into next week. Last week, it looked like it would be a lot further east and sooner developing. Well, that wave that was carrying that potential is now over the Yucatan. It's going to meet up with this wave here, 40% chance of tropical development. I do think a tropical storm is possible or even probable, but whatever comes of that would drift towards Texas or Louisiana. Over the last few weeks, we've had record ocean warmth, but too many hostile ingredients, too much wind shear, too much sinking air, and the waves that have come off of Africa have emerged too far north. These three factors that have held back the hurricane season the last few weeks will be going away soon. So I do expect things to pick up towards the end of the month. Francine and Gordon remain the next names up. So far this year, we've had 5 named storms, 3 hurricanes, and just 1 major, that was Beryl. The average historically after today is 6 named storms, 4 hurricanes, and 2 majors. So for us to hit the preseason forecast of hyperactivity in a well above average season, we'd have to essentially go at record territory from this point onward. The most amount of named storms we've ever had after this date was 13, 9 hurricanes, and 6 majors, which is what Colorado State is still calling for. So it's going to be really interesting to see how the end of September and October play out this year in the tropics. Stop me if you heard this before. Tomorrow, more rain, more storms. Here's 5:30. Here's 7:30. Volusia County, Daytona, copious amounts of rain there. Torrential downpours down to the I-4 corridor. Evening plans at Disney Springs, dinner. Yep, you're going to get soaked if you're going to dinner plans, if that helps you plan anything. Now, the good news is no tornado threat, no real severe threat, but man, when it rains, it's going to pour, and it's going to do that same exact thing again on Sunday and Monday and Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and next Friday, and the temperatures will stay in the upper 80s to near 90, guys.